Now I'm going to do unboxing, and probably this is my like new dive computer. Will you please tell me who's like ocean lover over there? Ocean lovers over there. So let's unbox this thing. I have my candy, babe, that's why. But I'm going to say again. Okay, let's unbox this new dive computer. So, but I don't have a knife or scissors to open this package. I don't know what I'm going to use for this. Wait, please. Are you filming still? Struggle is real. Oh, it's not struggle at all. Usually when there's something on this box and it's so like worth it. It's like, how much is this? $350. So we're going to, okay, the first stuff inside is this one, the foam to protect the like, what is that? I don't know. The stuff. This one is like, look at the hard case. Oh my god. Let's like open this one together, you know. Oh shit. This one is like, what time here? I don't know what time. Like 1:48.
It's not a watch.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. That's depth.
No, there's a watch on 1:38.
1:38.
Yeah.
Guys, does it say 1:38?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
It says
Look.
1:48.
Look. No, I see. There's a time and then there's a depth. What is that, depth?
Oh, you got girly ones.
Yeah, this is for like, oh my god, I don't know.
So this is the soft band.
Soft? It's not really soft.
No,
It's
this
like,
is the soft one and this is the... Oh, they're both soft.
yeah, really?
I thought one would be plastic or something.
This one is really, I don't know. I was just like, am I going to start like catching sea urchins for this? Let me know.
leave it on. I'll leave it on.
Huh?
Never mind.
Babe, please.
So this is camouflage for
Look.
your tactical...
What time?
I can't
5:09?
see. Why are you aiming at the wall?
5:09?
Yeah.
It's 5 o'clock and 9 minutes.
As soon as you go underwater, it switches on for depth and...
How deep?
I don't know. Deeper than you can go.
Okay, this is like crazy, huh? Look, I'll show you the display.
P, why you aim at the wall?
I don't know where's the fucking camera is, you know? Stupid.
What else is in there?
Charger. I don't know if it's a charger.
Yeah.
It's a charger, huh? Wow. You don't need to put a battery on it because you just need to plug it. Like if it's low bat already, you're going to just like charge this. This is like crazy.
So you're a professional dive princess?
I'm a professional dive princess in a swimming pool.
We should go test it in the swimming pool.
Yeah, we'll do that later. That's for my review for this like cool watch.
Not
like
a watch,
computer.
dive computer.
It's designed because there's a watch on it.
Yeah, but you're not gonna wear it all day.
Okay,
Like
the name of this like product is Deepblu Cosmiq Plus. Like air and nitrox diving, 21 to 40%. High contrast.
They also have
EVTN.
social media for scuba divers.
Yeah, so
Deepblu.com, I think.
if you wanna like have this cool dive computer, just head over into that like Instagram account, or
No,
you're just
Facebook.
going to head over to deepblu.com. Oh please, what did you do?
Cool, huh?
Okay, I'm going to like read you some specs on this
You
one.
gonna read it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it says that air and nitrox diving 20 to 40%. And next is high contrast EBTM display, which is, I don't know what does it mean, you know. Next is rechargeable lithium battery. Next is Bluetooth for a 4-point data transfer. Oh, really?
Because it logs your dives, and you can put them on the computer.
Yeah.
Or if you're on their social media, you can log your dives. You can make a logbook online on their social media.
Oh my god, this is like
profile.
crazy. Okay, next is digital dive log integration, where you can like connect this to your log dives, or number of dives, or how long or how deep, or I don't know how.
I wasn't listening.
So this package has a Cosmiq dive computer, which is this one, you know, right? And plain color nylon, it's nylon wrist strap.
Yeah.
Camouflage pattern nylon wrist strap as well. It's not camouflage. Oh yeah, it's a camouflage. It's blue.
Yeah, I told you that's for your secret operations.
No, this is for like slapping you when you're being bad, you know. And then USB charging cable, which is I show you already earlier, and this one is charging cable. Where's the other one? Okay, I think this one. So screen protector times 2. So where's that? I think I already removed it. And then I put it in my face. Okay, this one is designed and assembled in Taiwan. Taiwan. Designed and assembled in Taiwan. So thanks to Deepblu Cosmiq Plus. Deepblu.
So, as soon as you hit the water, it'll show your stats. Water temperature, depth, decompression times. It's pretty cool.
The hard case though.
Can I have it?
Can put jewelry in it.
What?
Yeah. Since like
you
I'm
are the
collecting
dive princess.
jewelry. Yeah, but I think I can put sea urchin as well, and then some little fish at the same time. If
Yeah.
I'll try.
Yeah, you
Or
can swim in the
clown.
pool by yourself.
This one is a clown.
Bye.